Friends, welcome to the final news episode of 2024. Today, I've prepared not only a summary of the latest events in the crypto market, but also some exciting statistics from the past year. Get ready, this will be interesting. Last week, Bitcoin recovered to $98,000, although we are still in a local downtrend. Fibonacci level analysis indicates that the nearest supports for Bitcoin are at $90,000 and $85,000. Evidence of a local correction is also seen in the outflow of funds from spot instruments. On December 19th, the net outflow from spot Bitcoin ETFs reached $680 million, the first outflow in the last 15 days and simultaneously a record low in the history of observations. Ethereum ETFs also recorded fund outflows, decreasing by $60,046,000, marking the first time in the last 17 days. But for those of us familiar with the crypto market, we know that corrections are a completely normal and inevitable phenomenon. Since early October, the market has experienced 8 major pullbacks, yet Bitcoin still reached an all-time high of $108,000. Volatility is only intimidating to those unaccustomed to holding assets for the long term. Despite all local fluctuations, Bitcoin's capitalization remains above $2 trillion, while the total crypto market capitalization is approaching $4 trillion. Impressive, isn't it? Over the past year, almost all market indicators have grown. For instance, as of November, the trading volume on decentralized exchanges surpassed $300 billion, exceeding the previous record set in May 2021. The share of DEXs in the total trading volume of crypto assets has increased from 9% to 11%. Now, as per tradition, let's discuss the main updates from our game, Battle Bulls. Major media outlets continue to spread the word about us. For instance, journalists from Happy Coin News included Battle Bulls in their list of market-shaping play-to-earn games for 2025. I can't disagree with them because we have grand plans for market domination in 2025. I'm also excited to announce the conclusion of our contest with BingX. The list of winners has already been published on our platforms. Check it out, you might be one of the lucky ones. Meanwhile, let's shift our focus back to the market. Bitcoin mining is currently at its peak. Difficulty and hash rate have reached all-time highs. Miners are heavily investing in equipment. Competition is increasing, but the results are worth it. Bitcoin has grown by 26,930% over the past decade. This outpaces the growth of gold, the S&P 500, and other assets. Moreover, the volume of assets under management in Bitcoin ETFs in the United States has surpassed that of gold ETFs. It took cryptocurrency just 1 year to surpass the 20-year progress of gold. Simply phenomenal. At the same time, there has never been so much unrealized profit in Bitcoin, over $1 trillion. The average profit per Bitcoin stands at $68,000. Are there any other assets on the market like this? Definitely not. What's driving this growth? Many attribute the current Bitcoin bull cycle to the election of Donald Trump as the new president of the United States. The number of Bitcoin whales has significantly increased following his victory in the elections. However, we cannot ignore Bitcoin's cyclical nature. We're currently experiencing a historically recurring bullish period following the halving that took place in April 2024. The global positive trend is clear, making it entirely logical that the number of Bitcoin holders continues to grow steadily over time. Alongside the phenomenal growth of the crypto market, the number of users has increased as well. On December 8th, the number of daily active cryptocurrency users exceeded 18 million, which is more than double the figure at the start of the year. Interest in crypto is growing day by day. Thanks to a large-scale survey by Binance, we can learn more about these users. According to the survey, the number of meme token holders surpassed the number of Bitcoin holders. 16.1% of respondents own meme tokens, while Bitcoin ranked second with 14.44%. 23.89% of participants believe that AI-related tokens have the highest growth potential. Meme tokens came in second with 19%. The third spot in the rankings went to DeFi tokens, which were highlighted by 12% of respondents. 45% of participants started investing in cryptocurrencies only in 2024. What about forecasts for the price of the first cryptocurrency? Analysts from K33 Research suggested that Bitcoin's next global peak will be reached on January 17th, based on the average duration of cycles between the first and last all-time high of 318 days. They noted that this date coincides with Donald Trump's inauguration and the moment MicroStrategy exhausts its ATM. Experts also believe that the launch of Bitcoin ETFs and the election of a pro-crypto president in the United States disrupted the traditional four-year cycles, causing a supply shock. In 2024, institutional investors and companies acquired more than 4% of Bitcoin's total issuance, which is equivalent to 8 years of mining output. Companies continue to grow their strategic crypto reserves. For example, Metaplanet, often referred to as the Japanese MicroStrategy, purchased an additional 620 Bitcoins, increasing its corporate Bitcoin balance to 1,762 BTC. As for MicroStrategy, the company currently holds 439,000 Bitcoins with a total value of $42 billion. The average purchase price per coin is $61,725, and MicroStrategy continues to actively increase its reserves. Finally, let me share an interesting case of crypto economics positively impacting the real economy. The mining company Marathon launched a second project for centralized heat supply in Finland. More than 80,000 residents now receive heat thanks to Bitcoin. This is how cryptocurrency unites technology and the real economy. Thank you for being with us throughout this year. I am confident that the new year will bring new records and highs. I wish everyone a happy new year and look forward to seeing you next year.